Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to connect your motorcycle intercom to your phone. If these kinds of videos are helpful to you, I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe and leave a comment. This tutorial works for both name brand and generic intercoms, since they all work in a very similar way. Let's get started. First things first, make sure your intercom has enough battery power to connect to your phone. To avoid any issues, I highly recommend charging it for at least 1 hour before starting. Next, find the power button on your device. It usually has a motorcycle icon or a power symbol on it. Press and hold it until the LED light turns on, which is typically red. After that, you're going to press and hold that exact same button for about 7 seconds. When you do this, the intercom's LED light will start flashing between red and blue. This means it is now in pairing mode. Now, make sure your phone's Bluetooth is turned on. Go into your Bluetooth settings and search for new devices. Once the intercom appears in the list, just tap to connect it. And that's it. Now your intercom is ready to go, and you can jump on your bike and enjoy all its features. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to the channel and leaving a comment. Ride safe everyone, and see you in the next video.